let's say somebody has a 3D printed product that malfunctions or doesn't work for some reason as intended. You have the question of, was the product appropriately designed? Was the design translated properly into digital format? Was the digital file defective in some ways? Well, all these steps in the chain make it really complicated to figure out, in the event of patient injury, who bears fault, if anybody. So this is a much more complicated world in terms of the assignment of responsibility for product injuries than anything we've seen before.